Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.82. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 22.6% since we first identified Tesla as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.19% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This scenario often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $426.91 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 18.03% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 4.48% to positive 20.88%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 6.07%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 40.26% to positive 27.59% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $249.02 and $531.86. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate following Thursday's trading session. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the stock price for Tesla decreased by 2.12%, dropping from $425.86 to $416.85. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.76%, ranging from a low of $416.56 to a high of $432.22. Notably, the price has increased in 8 out of the last 10 days, showing an overall rise of 23.14% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also declined on the last day, alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indication as volume tends to follow stock movements. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 16 million shares, with a total of 88 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $36.78 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $488.54, while the lowest was $212.11. Currently, the price sits 14.67%, or $71.69, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is navigating a day filled with mixed headlines that could amplify near-term volatility and reshape longer-term conviction. 2 separate class action lawsuits and an ongoing National Highway Traffic Safety Administration probe into door handle failures raise legal, recall, and reputational risks that may pressure the stock in the short run and add potential costs if regulators enforce fixes or payouts. Offsetting this, recent insider buying by the chief executive officer and a new compensation package have lifted sentiment and drawn analyst upgrades, with some optimistic models projecting significantly higher multi-year targets based on full self-driving, robotaxi, and robotics potential, supportive for long-term growth if execution follows. Meanwhile, competitor moves, such as the Waymo via robotaxi partnership, highlight the intensifying competition that could challenge Tesla's autonomous lead and impact future service revenues if Tesla falls behind. In the near term, anticipate choppy trading driven by headlines, litigation risk, and sentiment fluctuations. In the long term, outcomes depend on regulatory resolution, the pace of safety fixes, and whether Tesla can transform autonomous and robotics promise into sustainable, profitable revenue streams. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned TSLA a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley rated TSLA as overweight with a hold action. On Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, it was reported that William Blair gave TSLA a market perform grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated TSLA as outperform with a hold action. On Sunday, the 17th of August, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned TSLA a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For the return on investment, the analysts offer the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels near $398.13 and $345.58. A drop below either of these thresholds would trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have emerged that may impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 2.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 4 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 29 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 80 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $410.04. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $15.66 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.76%. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 4.82%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 480 thousandths of a dollar per share. Keep an eye on these figures as they can have a substantial impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $421.62. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla faces its first support level at $410.04. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of September, 2025, James Murdoch conducted an insider sale of 60,000 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk executed an insider purchase of 17,536 shares of common stock. On the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk also conducted an insider purchase of 116,948 shares of common stock. Again, on the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk purchased 290,501 shares of common stock. Lastly, on the 12th of September, 2025, Elon Musk bought 332,908 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 96.423. Overall, insiders acquired 99,553,357 shares and sold 1,676,367 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $399.08, representing a decline of 4.26%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened risk level. The 14th-day relative strength index stands at 77, further amplifying this risk. Notably, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Tesla stock to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we anticipate Tesla to open higher by $5.03, starting at $421.88. It's important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.